Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 9.2 question number 9 to 12. So your first question that we will be doing today is Bina and Meena manure their lawns. What do you mean by manure? First, manure is a substance that we use to make the soil fertile. Okay, to make fertile soil, to make the soil fertile, we use manure, and it is made up of natural things. For example, cow dung, vegetable and fruit peels, and your leaves. That we use to make manure, and we put manure into the soil so that it became fertile. So now Bina's lawn is 100-meter long and 85-meter wide. So it means long means length and wide means breadth. So length and breadth is given. So we are talking about rectangle here. While each side of Mina's lawn measure 45 meter. Now as you can see here, each side means all four sides we are talking about 45 meters. So we are talking about square here. So we use more manure. So he is asking in which field we are using, in which lawn we are using more manure. So when we have to find out that the area that we are covering, so we have to find here area of this rectangle and area of this square. So I have written the statements like this. Length of the Bina's lawn is 100 meter. Breadth of the Bina's lawn is 85 meter. Area of Bina's lawn is length into breadth. So 100 multiplied by 85, length is equals to 100, and multiplied by 85, 100 multiplied by 85 is equals to 8500. Whereas side of the Mina's lawn is 45 meters. So area of Mina field will be Mina's lawn, sorry. So it will be side into side. So 45 into 45, 5 5 the 25, 2 here, 5 4 the 20, 2 plus 22, 4 5 the 20, 0 here, 2 up, 4 4 the 20, 16, 16 plus 2 is 18. 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 2025 meters square. So here 8500 and 225 we have got two areas, area of rectangle lawn and area of square lawn. As you can see, 8500 is more than 2025. So it means that Bina's lawn area is more than Mina's lawn area. So it means that Bina will be using more manure as compared to Mina. Okay, then we are having question number 10. A square with side 1 centimeter is cut from a triangle with a side of 10 centimeters as shown in figure. As you can see here, a triangle is given and each side of this triangle is 10 centimeter. One square of 1 centimeter is cut from that triangle. Okay, so this figure, firstly your triangle will look like this before cutting. After cutting the square, your triangle will look like this. So here 10 centimeter is this side, and this one is a square of 1 centimeter. If you will cut 1 from 10 centimeter length, so here 9 centimeter side will be left. I am talking about this side and this side, adding these two sides. Okay, so now he is asking whether does the perimeter of the triangle increases or decreases. So what do you mean by perimeter first? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Okay, so he is asking whether the perimeter will increase or decrease from this triangle. So what you will do, firstly find out the perimeter of this triangle. 1 2 3. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. Here 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29 plus 1 30, 31, 32. So this is perimeter 32 centimeter and it is having 30. So it means that after cutting we have got 32 centimeters. So it means the perimeter will increase. Now he asks, does the area of the triangle increases or decreases? Now area, when you are talking about area, it means that you are covering the whole part. Okay, and here also this whole area, when we are talking about, this is the whole area when we are talking about. So as you can see, this triangle is less than, this triangle is less one, this it is reducing with this square, 1 centimeter square. So it means that it is covering more area as compared to this triangle. So the area will be decreased. The area will decrease obviously. Now what is the perimeter of the new figure? I have already told you the perimeter of the new figure is sum of all sides. So 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9 centimeter is equals to 32 centimeter. We will not write square here. So the new figure is of 32 centimeter. Okay, so now next question that we will be doing today is, a chessboard has an area of 100 square centimeters. What is the length of each side of the chessboard? So here the as you know, the chessboard is of square shape, and we are having area 100 square centimeters. So we have to find out the side of the square here. So area of the chessboard is 100 square centimeter. Area of square is equals to side into side. Now we will do the LCM. 100 comes in the table of 2 at 50. 50 comes in the table of 2 at 25. 25 come in the table of 5, and 5 come in the table of 5 at 1. So now we can write, as you can see, there are pairs 2, 5, 2, 5. So I have written 2 times 2, 5. Now 2, 5 the 10 and 2, 5 the 10. So side will be equal of square. So as you can see, side is equals to 10. So side of the chessboard is 10 centimeter. Length of the chessboard is 10 centimeter. We have got like this. You have to find it like this. Next one, last question that we have covered today is calculate the perimeter and the area of the lawn shown in the figure. Beta, firstly perimeter I have given you as homework. You have to find it yourself. So you just have to simply add the sides, and then you will get the total sum of this sides. We will get the perimeter. Now we will come to area of the lawn given in the figure, shown in the figure. As you can see here, this is not a shape. So we have to change this so that we can make a shape. So that's why I have drawn a line like this. Okay, I have drawn a line like this in this figure so that it will become more clear to you. So it is 10 meter. I have drawn this line in between. So this is 10 meters, so it will be equals to this. So 10 meter, this one 10 meter, 10 meter, and it was written whole part is of 20 meters. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay, now as we have, this is also given 20 meters, so we will divide this as 10, 10. Okay, so this one I have given you homework. You just have to simply add. You find the perimeter using this figure, not this, because this will make you this will confuse you. So please use this figure to find out the perimeter, and when you are finding the area, use this figure. Okay, so now area of figure is equals to area of square plus area of rectangle, because this is having equal sides and this is having equal opposite sides. So area of square is equals to side into side, that is 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100 meter square. Area of square is 100 meter square here. Then we are having length of the rectangle is 20 meters. So breadth of the rectangle is equals to 10 meter, that is given. Area of rectangle is equals to L into B, that is the formula. 20 plus 10 is equals to 200 meters square. So total area of the figure is 100 plus 200, that is 300 meters square. So it means that the figure is of 300 meters square. So I hope that these questions will be clear to you, and by this we have completed this area exercise. Tomorrow we will be doing volume. We will start with new exercise, that with new concept, that is volume. Okay, bye bye students.